Hello everyone, welcome to our practice vlog. This is going to be something that we're going to do throughout our years of being married and a lot on our honeymoon and stuff like that. Just something that we want to do to make memories and be able to save the memories that we've done. So today, we'll tell them what we're going to do today.
Today we are going to Muscatatuck and we're going to try and walk on some lakes, or a lake.
If the ice is thick enough.
If the ice is thick enough. He brought a little drill doohickey so we can drill it into the ice and see if we're gonna die or not while we're up there. So that's gonna be really fun. And then I have lunch packed for us. Walmart bag, classy, super classy. And yeah, so we'll see you when we get there.
Alright, we made it out here to our first lake. It's not looking very frozen, but we will try our luck anyway. Alright, as you can see, it is not looking too great. So, yeah.
Here we go.
Don't think it's going to work.
This looks cool.
Yeah.
Crunchies.
Not a good sign. Alright, so we're at our second pond. This one's a little bit smaller, so we'll see. Walking on ice.
Ooh, we're walking on ice right now.
That's slippery. We'll see if it's any thicker out here. So we're out here at the second lake, and it's not very frozen over, so.
Don't feel like swimming today.
What are we gonna do now?
We can get hot chocolate.
We can get hot chocolate.
Yeah.
Maybe find a small trail to hike or something
Oh yeah, we can do that too.
and do that.
And then eat lunch.
Don't fall.
Uh-oh.
So we finished eating our lunch. We drove around a little bit more. We're probably not going to do very much hiking. It's pretty cold and windy. So we're going to hike this small trail right here at the start. And then we will probably call it a day and go back and get some hot chocolate or something like that. Our hike was cut a little bit short. We had a minor incident.
I walked on a lake and I fell right through it.
Laurel thought it would be good to go swimming today.
Only one foot though. It's cold.
It was just a pond. We were not out on a lake. It was just a very tiny pond by the trail that we tried to put some weight on, and it didn't hold it.
Yeah. So I started running and then he carried me.
Live and learn.
Yeah.
So now we're headed back into town. We're gonna go by Starbucks and get some hot chocolate. Call it a day.
Make this foot warm again.